Psalm chapter 122, a song of ascents, by David. I was glad when they said to me, "Let's go to the Lord's house. Our feet are standing within your gates, Jerusalem." Jerusalem is built as a city that is compact together, where the tribes go up, even the Lord's tribes, according to an ordinance for Israel, to give thanks to the Lord's name. For there are set thrones for judgment, the thrones of David's house. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Those who love you will prosper. Peace be within your walls, and prosperity within your palaces. For my brothers' and companions' sakes, I will now say, peace be within you. For the sake of the house of the Lord our God, I will seek your good.